Today is International Salsa Day. Yes, yes.
Oh, good morning guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa Onslow, Western Australia. Meron kaming isang kaunting kasiyahan. Ang ano dito is we have some Greek here. This 7 year cadet. What can you say about our celebration today?
Today is International Salsa Day. You see the pig? It's a small pig because I will eat it all alone.
All alone, ha?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Uh,
It's delicious.
delicious. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. About this guy, Taso. Second year cadet also.
Hi.
What can you say?
What can I say?
Everything you want to say.
Everything here is perfect. The salary is good. No have bitches. These are rumors. They are not true. No bitches on board. Not true. That's all I have to say.
Okay, move on. How about you, my friend? What can you say?
What to say? The other cat dropped his phone on the floor. I don't know.
Hello. Hello, magkano ang salary mo, partner?
2,500. Yes.
AB.
Lipat na kayo dito kasi 2,500 dito.
Ano pangalan ko ba niya?
Pala kaibigan to.
Wala kaibigan. Wala kaibigan ang kumpanya. Ikaw, partner, magkano ang sahod mo? AB.
Ha? Ano?
Magkano ang sahod?
Sahod dito sa amin mga kakuya Marino, 2.5 kami dito, AB.
Okay. Okay, yung mga taga pala kaibigan.